In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate journal entries in Zoho Books. If you regularly post the same debits and credits, think monthly rent, depreciation, or recurring accruals, Zoho Books can handle them for you with recurring journals. This feature creates journal entries automatically on a schedule you define, reducing manual work and helping keep your books consistent. First, enable the feature. In Zoho Books, open Settings in the top right corner and go to Preferences, then General. Find Recurring Journals and turn it on, then save your changes. Once enabled, you'll notice a new Recurring Journals option under the Accountant module in the left sidebar. If you don't see it, refresh the page or confirm that your user role has access to the Accountant module. Next, create a recurring journal profile that defines what gets posted and when. Go to Accountant, then Recurring Journals, and click New. Give your profile a clear name so it's easy to recognize later, like monthly rent or depreciation expense. Choose how often it repeats, daily, weekly, monthly, or a custom interval. Then set the start date and, if needed, an end date. Now enter the journal entry details. Pick the debit and credit accounts, specify the amounts, and add a description or reporting tags to help with analysis and filtering. When you save, Zoho Books will generate the journal entry automatically at each scheduled interval from the next recurrence onward. You can monitor what's been created under the Child Journals tab within that profile. You can also control whether those automated entries appear as drafts for review or are posted immediately. To set this, go to Settings, Preferences, and then Accountant. Under Recurring Journals, choose Saved as Draft if you want to review before they impact your reports, or Auto-Published if you're confident in the setup and want a fully hands-off flow. Save your preference. A good practice is to start with drafts, verify the accounts and amounts for a cycle or two, then switch to Auto-Publish when you're comfortable. Finally, manage your automation over time. Open any recurring profile to adjust the frequency, accounts, amounts, or dates. You can stop the recurrence to pause future entries or delete the profile to remove the automation entirely. Previously generated journal entries remain in your books, preserving your audit trail and historical accuracy. Before wrapping up, consider testing a new profile with a small amount or a unique tag to confirm it posts as expected. Keep an eye on period close dates and reporting dates to ensure entries land in the correct period. With that, your recurring journals are set and your month end just got a lot smoother.